Hello and Namaste. My name is Mr. Gautam Behra and today I'll be talking on structure of water and aqueous salt. So structure of water. So water is a polar molecule. So if we take a single molecule of water and we'll check its structure. So do we think that the structure of water will be like this where oxygen is present at the center and two hydrogen atoms are at the both end in a straight line? No, this is not the structure of water. If this is so, because hydrogen is carrying positively charged and oxygen is carrying negatively charged, so this will be not a polar molecule. So how the structure of water will be? So actual structure of water is like this, where the two hydrogen atoms is attached with the oxygen atom by forming an angle of 105 degree. So if now you understand, if this is the situation, so since oxygen is carrying negative charge, that is residual negatively charged, and hydrogen is carrying residual positively charged, so we can see that in one end we have negative charge and on the other hand we have positively charged. So now it's become a polar molecule. So now since the water is a single water molecule is a polar molecule due to this angularity only. So now due to this reason, the oxygen atom carrying residual negative charge attracts the hydrogen of the another molecule, because oxygen is carrying negatively charge of one molecule is attracted towards the hydrogen which is carrying positively charge of another molecule, due to which the bond will form between the hydrogen of one molecule with the oxygen of another molecule. And this is a situation where the hydrogen bonding will be forming. So now water molecule is not free, that means each molecule of water is not free, or they are not present in an individual form, they are basically present in associated form. So due to the association of water molecules, they have high dielectric constant nature. So water have high dielectric constant property. So that means when we add any salt into the water, for example if we add sodium chloride or potassium chloride or any alkali salt into the water, it will dissociate into positive and negative ion due to this high dielectric constant behavior. And the conclusion we can draw is attractive forces between the unlike charge, that is positive and negative charge, between the ionic compound is inversely proportional to the dielectric constant of the medium between them. Let me complete this whole structure of water, how they remain in associated form. Let me complete this diagram. You can see this is a single molecule of water. If it will be attached to the other molecule and form an association, the association will be like this. So it will form a hydrogen bond basically with the hydrogen of the other molecule. So this oxygen and this is the hydrogen. So again this is 105 degree angle. So again you can understand this oxygen carrying negatively charged, this is positive and this is carrying positive charge. So this negative charge will be attached to the positive charge of the hydrogen of another molecule. So this is hydrogen and this is oxygen and this is hydrogen. This angle is also 105 degree. Negative, positive, positive.